Hello friends, my name is Sami Sultan and today I am going to tell you how to use Microsoft project management software. As we know, Microsoft project management software, it is a very useful software we can generally use in construction field and as well as different field for planning work. So it's very important software and I have been using this application for more than 3 years. And with the help of this software we can make schedule, we can track our project, we can do a lot of work with the help of this software. So it's very important software and nowadays there are lots of company generally they want to hire those people that have good command over these types of software like Microsoft project, Primavera. It's basic requirement nowadays. So with the help of this video, I am going to tell you how to use Microsoft project management software. So as we know, you can see here, this is a screen already I have opened. So first I am going to tell you about setting, how to do setting in Microsoft project. So first you have to go to file, right? Then after that option, there is mention option. You can see here general screen tip style. Yeah, you can, this is by default, and date format you can change according to your requirement, otherwise it's okay. And username you can change according to you. If I talk about display, so here mention one calendar, it's okay. Project, and here currency name showing USD, so first you have to change according to our country INR. So here is mention INR, right? If I talk about decimal digits, so 2, it's okay. Then after that you have to do okay. Again you have to go file and after that option, and now you should click on schedule. So as we know, you can see on this screen here project, it's okay. Week start on Sunday, here mention Sunday, but as we know in our country generally we start from Monday, so here we have to mention Monday, January, it's okay. If I talk about default start times, here mention 8 am, but if I talk about my project, so generally we do start our work from 9 am, so now I'm going to mention 9. If I talk about here mention 5 p.m. So generally we do work up to 6 p.m. Now I have mentioned 6 p.m. Hours per day 8 hours, it is okay. Hours per week, generally we do everyday work, I mean entire week. So I'm going to mention here 56 hours in a week. If I talk about days per month, so now I have to go to mention here 30 days, right? Then after that percentage, it's okay, you can leave. Here is one important things mentioned, new task created. So here is mentioned manually schedule, but we should click on auto schedule because auto schedule it could be help a lot. Then after that it's okay. And now I'm going to share one important thing. As we know here mention file, task, resource, report, project, view, format. So I will tell you everything. Even I can make one schedule of any construction house as an example, which is very helpful for you. So please watch this video. So now I'm going to some do important setting, like now I have to go to project. Then after that project information. And here is mention a start date. So whenever you start your project date, you can mention, suppose that I have started from 20th November, I have mentioned, right? It's okay. Current date 29, sorry 20, 20, and yeah, everything is okay. Then after that you have to click on OK. And now one important setting, change working time. As we know, you can see here change working time. So I have to go to change working time. So here mention, this is, there is mentioned dark, I mean, this is not working day. Here is mentioned Saturday and Sunday. This is not working day. But if I talk about my project, so generally we do work every day. So now I have to change. So here is mentioned a standard project, it's okay. So first we have to go to work week. Then after that, details. So here you can see we can change Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Every day we do work. Then set days of this specific working time, right? And now you can change here like from to. So generally we start our work from 9 a.m. So now I have mentioned 9 a.m. Then after that 9 a.m. to 1 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch time. So now I'm going to change here, now mention 2 p.m. So 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then after that 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch time. Then after that again generally we start 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. which is I'm going to mention here 6 p.m. Then after that, yeah, you click on OK. So now you can see here Saturday and Sunday. Now here is mentioned working day. Another important thing, then after that we have to go to exception. If I talk about exception, so generally as we know in our country, if I talk about construction work, so generally we don't do work on New Year. So now I'm going to mention here New Year. New Year, right? So here I'm going to mention New Year, I mean 1st January 2025. So generally we take leave for one day, right? I start and finish I mentioned. Then after that Republic Day. Republic Day 26th January, right? So now I'm going to mention here 26th January 2025. Then after that generally we have national holiday, I mean, yeah, like Independence Day. Independence Day. Then here now I'm going to mention, sorry, one thing I forgot here, one important thing. Generally we take holiday on Labor Day. And also you can mention according to your requirement, like Holi, generally we take 2 days off, and different festivals according to calendar you can mention here. Why you mention automatic this project and this schedule automatic, that day it will not count in your all working day. That's why I'm going to mention here like Labor Day generally we celebrate 1st May, right? 1st May. So now you can add according to your requirement. I don't want to take more time, so that's why. Then after that you have to click on OK, right? So already we have done setting time already. Now we can start, we can make our schedule, whatever we want to do, we can start from here. So now I am going to say one thing. Now I am going to start from next video.